Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you need a UK RDP for legitimate work. This avoids compliance issues later. Once done, verify your ID and proof of address because many reputable providers require this to prevent abuse. Make sure your payment method is accepted, card, PayPal, or crypto, and pick target specs like 4 GB RAM, 2 vCPU, and desired bandwidth. These initial choices shorten setup time and ensure the instance you buy matches your actual workload and latency expectations. Next, evaluate providers and compare uptime, SLA percentages, customer reviews, and support availability so you avoid downtime. Once you pick one, choose the OS and extras like snapshots or automated backups. This affects recovery and cost, so weigh hourly versus monthly billing. Make sure the provider allows RDP port management and has built-in firewall and two-factor authentication options for secure remote access. These detailed middle steps reduce risk and ensure you can manage and protect the UK RDP after purchase. Finally, deploy your UK RDP and secure it immediately. Change default RDP ports, enforce strong passwords, and enable two-factor authentication where possible. Once deployed, install OS updates and endpoint protection, and turn on scheduled backups or snapshots so you can recover quickly. Test actual RDP responsiveness and latency from your location, and verify remote tooling works. If you lose access, use the provider console to reset credentials or revert to a snapshot. If that fails, contact support with instance ID and logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.